Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm BENIDORM Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. We walk down by the port of Benidorm. It's such a nice day again today. Like we get one good day, one overcast day. At the moment, you're all doing, you're all ready for Christmas now. Your area getting back to normal, or are you still in theatres where things are shut? See the triangle pub down the bottom there? Rather was signs of these reopening, but for whatever reason they didn't reopen. Well, yes, over the road there, it's getting, I think we'll go refurbishing over there. Of course, you've got the White Horse up there. And they'll all be open next year now. It's strange with the white horse being on there. There is the white horse. They're all owned by the same person, so there's one of your favourite hotels, Port of BENIDORM.
Yeah, never understood that. So many people love Port BENIDORM.
Yeah, it must be good in there. Fortunately closed at the moment. Looked like it was doing quite well, and then suddenly it closed. It'll be a very strange Christmas over here this year. You get the name in there for you. And then we're going to get it, that's hidden behind the tree there. I know lots of you stayed there. It's in quite a good place as well. It's just up from, it's in a 5-minute walk to the sea, beach, which is just down there. See the Christmas tree down there? And the sun's coming out a bit. Might need a jumper on today, that's about it here. It's a cooler day again, as I said. Okay guys, with that we'll leave the video here. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.